Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is for those of you who are curious about the world of online trading and want to understand how modern trading platforms work behind the scenes. I'm excited because I recently partnered with Deriv, a trusted online trading platform with more than 25 years in the industry. And today, I'm going to break down what they offer, how their platform works, and why they're such a respected name globally. So first, who exactly is Deriv? Deriv is an online trading platform offering CFDs and derivatives across a wide range of markets: Forex, stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices. They've evolved from binary.com, which many long-time traders might remember, and now serve over 2.5 million traders around the world. One of the main reasons they've lasted 25 years plus in such a competitive industry is simple: their focus on transparency, regulation, and user trust. Let's talk about regulation, because that's one of the most important parts of choosing any online broker. The Deriv is regulated in multiple jurisdictions, which means they operate under strict financial rules that help protect users. From security standpoint, Deriv uses industry standard protection for your data and funds, so you can focus on learning and improving your trading skill instead of worrying about the safety of your account. Now let's take a look at the user experience. One of the things I noticed right away is how clean and user-friendly the platform is. Whether you're a beginner or you've been trading for years, the layout is easy to understand. You've got customizable chart, simple assets selection, easy order placement, and intuitive navigation. And the platform works across desktop, web, and mobile. You can trade on whichever device you're comfortable with. One of the features I personally found important is the Deriv supports fast and hassle-free deposits and withdrawals. There is no hidden fees, and they offer several payment methods depending on your region, including cards, bank transfers, e-wallets, and even crypto in some areas. And again, this doesn't make trading risk-free, but it does make platform management smooth and accessible. Another thing I think is worth highlighting is Deriv 24/7 multilingual customer support. If you've ever used a platform where support takes ages to reply, you already know how frustrating that can be. Deriv's support team is available around the clock, which is really helpful for people in different time zones, especially when market move quickly. So what sets Deriv apart from other trading platforms? Here are a few things. They're one of the longest standing brokers in the online trading space, regulated and trusted by millions worldwide. They offer multiple platforms tailored for different skills levels. Their interface is clean, simple, and beginner-friendly. Reliable and transparent operations, no exaggerated claims. And I want to highlight that Deriv doesn't make promises of guaranteed profits, neither do I. Trading takes practice, research, and discipline. And Deriv is simply a platform that gives you the tools to learn and explore the markets responsibly. Now I also want to be totally transparent about this collaboration. I was approached by Deriv because they're looking for content creators who understand the crypto space and can bring valuable, responsible content to viewers. What I like about the partnership is that they allow creators to remain authentic, no hype, no unrealistic claims, and no pressure to recommend anything. All free, experience, and review only. And again, this video is not a financial advice. My job is to tell you what to trade or how to trade, just to show you tools and platforms that exist in this space. If you're a creator or trader or someone who shares education content online, Deriv also offer partnership opportunities from affiliate program, sponsored content for affiliates. They also offer competitive commission for successful referrals, and they focus on long-term collaboration rather than quick one-off deals. If you want to explore Deriv on your own, I've added a link in the description box and in my bio. Before doing anything, make sure to explore the website, understand the markets, read about the risks, try the demo account first. If you're new, because trading required both skills and responsibility. Thanks for spending this time with me. If you enjoy this breakdown and want more videos about platforms, trading tools, or digital finance, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Stay informed, stay responsible, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.